Welcome aboard our unforgettable 4-night Royal Caribbean cruise from Los Angeles to Ensenada, Mexico. This journey was filled with excitement, adventure, and relaxation, the perfect short getaway for travelers of all ages. Our itinerary included departing from Los Angeles, a fun day at sea, a stop in Ensenada, Mexico, another relaxing day on board, and finally returning to Los Angeles with incredible memories. From the moment we stepped into the terminal to the peaceful nights at sea, every moment brought something special. This cruise had something for everyone, from live shows and family activities to delicious dining and breathtaking ocean views. To capture the full experience, we've divided this Royal Caribbean journey into 11 parts, each highlighting a different stage of the trip. This is the 5th part of the series. If you're cruising with kids on Royal Caribbean's Quantum of the Seas, there are tons of fun activities to keep them entertained all day long. Kids can start the day at the Adventure Ocean Kids Club, where supervised activities, games, and creative programs keep them busy while parents relax. For gaming lovers, the arcade area offers classic and modern games that kids and adults can enjoy together. There are also Xbox stations and interactive gaming zones where kids can play their favorite console games and hang out with friends on board. The onboard arcade also has classic interactive games like air hockey, basketball hoops, and other fun competitive games that kids love to challenge each other on. Active kids will love the sports and gym-style activities designed just for them. One of the absolute highlights of the ship is the bumper cars at SeaPlex. The line can get long, but it's totally worth the wait. This is a must-do activity for families and one of the most unique attractions at sea. In this video you'll see a POV ride from the bumper cars, capturing all the action, bumps, and laughs from inside the arena. I will also count the number of bumps. Since we sailed on Halloween Day, the video ends with a fun Halloween parade on board the ship, where kids and families dressed up in costumes and celebrated together. We hope you enjoyed this, and don't forget to check out the playlist combining all 11 parts and click the thumbnails for similar videos.